guys. Yeah, we're not YouTube holics, right? Look who I'm with, Kev TV. Welcome to LA,
hey,
everybody. We're
to
going to welcome to K-Town, one of my favorite parts. And Kev's agreed to kind of be the goodwill ambassador of lesser known LA. We're not doing, we're going to try to maybe hit some of the ethnic foods and have a little bit of fun down here. And he's been very gracious with his time. As you know, he came up to the Rancho, and it was really great to see you and Scotty D and Pocket Changey up there. So that was awesome. So I feel like I wanted to come down here and kind of...
You can never forget the peach cobbler, or the peach pie.
Yeah, the peach cobbler. That's exactly right. Smile. The peach cobbler.
Two pieces. I killed it.
You killed it, man. Yeah. You killed it. So, I'm going to be putting a link to the channel and all of the videos this trip, and my moderators will be putting in the live streams too. Really like to see if this is one of the nicest guys you'd ever want to meet. He was helping out the CX network when Bjorn came to town. So I'd like to see him get a mega boost on his channel, and he does morning streams around Vermont Street and down around there.
Yeah, usually it's around here.
Yeah.
It's usually around here or in K-Town. Sometimes hit the parks if it's possible.
Yeah, and I'm always jealous. I'm sitting at home. I'm just surrounded by totally Mexican food. I have no options, no options at all.
Really? And
I'm dreaming of that, all the barbecue and all the great Asian food choices that you have down here.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm probably more Asian than you are.
Probably so, considering that you lived in China, huh?
All right, guys, time to get something to eat. Tie on the feed bag. You hungry?
Yep.
Woohoo! We're going to the J
Barbecue.
What makes this so good, the J Barbecue?
It's a local place.
Okay.
Yeah, it's one of the first barbecues that had outdoor seating.
Yeah.
And it's on the corner of Vermont and James and Wood, so it's a good place.
And you're verifying you're verifying we're going to eat well. I also believe in small, like mom and pop places and not chain places. It's a better place to spend your money.
Yep. And
as you can see over here, we've already got a pretty good crowd. So, all right, let's tie on the feed bag.
All right.
Jay's Barbecue. Okay. In Hong Kong and places like that, there's always a lot of Korean barbecue places and stuff like that. And then they have they flame that up, and then you get your chopsticks and stuff, and you cook up your own meat and things on there. So it makes it kind of fun.
Yeah, we cook it up here like they're doing.
Yeah, exactly. You can see them over there where you can't really see it too well, but they're cooking up their things. So, all right. So I'm excited.
Yeah, let's try it.
LA food scene. We're going to be hitting it hard here, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
All right. What are you drinking?
I'm just drinking water.
Yeah, I'm going to get a Diet Coke or something like that. So. There's the, that's the trays that you cook on and everything. So here she comes. We just get this A here.
Again?
Is he okay? Are you sure? You want to do it again? Okay. All right.
We're going to get the A.
Yeah.
Probably, what you want, chicken, brisket?
Chicken, brisket.
And do you want bulgogi or do you want... or you want pork?
Yeah, what's the pergoli? What is that?
It's the marinated beef.
Marinated beef. Yeah, I mean, I don't care. Yeah, let's do a little pork belly or something for a little change of pace. Let me show people this menu here. So what you do is you can order A, which gives you 3 meats plus the side dishes plus the rice. And you can have the brisket, bulgogi, the chicken, the pork belly. I think get something a little different. The pork belly, try something like that. Have you had the intestine before? Is that pretty good? Or?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not a fan of my wife.
Okay. Yeah, that looks interesting.
If you want to try it, it's up to you.
Yeah.
It's just the small intestine that's like.
Yeah, they do a good job. Yeah, I kind of do, but let's just go. Yeah, let's just.
Go ahead.
Well, I had all that stuff, and I'm just interested. Well, I got plenty of nights. I got 3 days here to eat myself silly down here. So, all right. Well, that looks good. Okay.
This is
Dinner family. This is going to be a feast. That's right. But I'm hungry. I've been on the road. The only thing I had was like I stopped at the TA in outside Bakersfield and just had a one of those trucker chicken sandwich.
Oh wow!
So
You said something like it was like the restroom was pretty crazy.
oh man, you know, let me tell you this. Let me tell you about that restroom block.
Yeah,
Last
we'll hear
time
about
I came in, somebody had like explosive diarrhea.
Oh my God.
And the second time today,
Yeah.
I didn't even get to the door and I could hear somebody just stretching.
Okay, whiskey, bulgogi, 하나는 뭐예요?
And
라이스 마시콤보.
the basic combo. Yeah. Does that come with number 3? I mean number 8?
Yeah, I know the 마시콤보.
Oh, mashi. Oh, ice water. She said, or dry noodles.
Trying his Korean.
Korean 보르고.
Asian style, it's all business. There's no time. You don't get to know your waiters, and you eat. You know what I'm saying? That's the way it is. So this is already, we got fire in the hole over here. That's already
Fire in the
heating up
hole.
on there. So yeah, that restroom. So I wasn't even gonna. Man, if I had to, if my bowels were exploding, I wasn't gonna go in that bathroom. So I went another 37 miles down the road. Just barely holding on, you know.
You gotta look for Starbucks or something.
Yeah, that's, oh man.
Yeah, that's
all right.
the bad thing.
It's a bad thing, but this will make up for it tonight. It'll crush all those bad memories right
Yeah,
there.
there you go.
Woo! Explain what we got over here. I know we got the kimchi.
These are bean sprouts.
Yeah, bean sprouts,
Potato salad,
lettuce.
That's
over
daikon, which is like a
yeah,
radish.
daikon is good.
Yeah.
Yep.
And
And we
there's
got
the
the macaroni
radish,
salad. And what about this?
This is just wonton egg roll type
Okay.
wrapping.
Yeah.
And
So.
then the salad, love salad.
Yeah, that's a good starter. So they want to load you up on that stuff at the beginning.
Sausage here.
Yeah, there's the sauces, and we have the salt and pepper combo.
We can get some, what do you call it? Bean sauce, which is good.
Yeah, let me try a little bit of this kimchi if I can spare a little piece.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Is it good?
That's good.
You like it?
That's good. Good flavor on that.
So you're going home now.
Not like mind blowing, but just in the right in the wheelhouse. You can't believe how Asian I am, can
Oh
you?
yeah? No, yeah, that's good. You're probably more Asian than I am.
Just go for it. So.
Yeah.
All right, let's load up.
You know, it's funny because you probably teach me Chinese, and I don't even.
Yeah. Well, Hui Zhang Goi.
Yeah.
Okay.
My nephew speaks fluent Chinese.
Yeah. All right, good. All right, there we go. I'm gonna load up. Stuff is really good. I love the daikon and all
that?
this. I love this stuff. Yep. Absolutely love it. This is just stuff I don't get up the way, so I gotta load up. Look at that. There he goes. You got to keep an eye on that. That's your job, right?
I'm in charge of the cooking.
My job is to eat.
Yeah. So you don't have a tripod set, huh?
That is so good.
Is it? You like it, huh?
I love this. Yeah. Welcome to Korea in LA.
Yeah, this is.
We have the chicken here, we got the pork belly, and we got the beef that's cooking away over there. Looking good, and I'm enjoying this. I'm making you work. Huh?
So good. Usually my wife is the one that orders. She's the one that's supposed to clean it. But
There we go. Okay, I'm going to give you 4 stars on that first cook batch through on that beef. Excellent. You got to try some of these things. They're off the chain, man. These are so good. The kimchi, the sprouts, the daikon, delicious. I told you I needed to eat well tonight.
Did you eat well?
And you told me, did I eat well?
Yeah.
Yeah, I ate everything, didn't I?
You ate everything. that's for sure.
Every darn thing that they could throw down on there tonight, I ate it. It was absolutely delicious. Now, I haven't had Korean barbecue in a while. A couple things that they could do. Let me say I'm going to give this about an 8 stars here, which is a pretty good rendition for Korean barbecue. I don't think there's any such thing as the perfect kind of meal. It's very rare for me. I've done over 200 food reviews. I've probably given that 5-10 stars in that the
Really?
whole time.
Okay.
But what did you think overall? Is there anything that they did well? Anything that they can improve a little bit here?
Well, usually the service is better. I think today they're a little bit preoccupied with the larger parties. But yeah, I did feel that personality. They didn't seem as personal as they usually are.
Do you find in a lot of Asian restaurants, though, that they're much more business as opposed to schmoozing
Oh yeah.
customers? Like if you went into an Italian restaurant, you'd know by the end of the day they'd be singing at your kid's baptism, you know,
Right.
or something
Exactly,
like
yeah.
that. So Asians, I think, tend to be much more get the job done, and they're not going to
Yeah.
be your best buddy and stuff. But the service, they're stretched. They could use another. They could use some more help
people,
here.
yeah.
How about the food? Anything they can improve on?
The food
these?
was good. The side dishes were all right. The pacha, the call they changed a little bit of the pacha. The kimchi was good. I'd say the kimchi was. I've had better kimchi. Bean sprouts were okay. They didn't have like the beef, not the beef, but the bean soup that they normally give out, or the scrambled eggs, which is
Might just be his time. When's the last time you were here?
it's probably about a month ago.
Okay.
Oh, maybe 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, maybe. Who knows? Might just be real crowded tonight. But for me, they can improve. Sometimes it doesn't hurt to spice the meat a little bit too when you're going to put it out. And I thought the meat could have used a little bit of pre-spicing. But you did a nice job. You cooked everything on the grill.
thank you.
did a great job on that. That would be about the only thing I have to say. I love the sides. I love kimchi, but I don't like a kimchi that blows my wig off my head. You know what I'm saying? I like a good kimchi that's got some bite to it. So I'm going to give it a 8 stars here at J Korean Barbecue. What do you think? What do you want to give that?
Yeah, I'd probably give it like either a 7 or 8. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we ate well.
Yes, thank you very
And I
much.
think all in it was like $50 or something, which I consider a good value. I'm in Los Angeles. I want to eat well. I want to spend some money down here. I may regret it next week, but I'm going to spend some money. So good pick, Kev.
Thank you.
All right,
Appreciate
and you guys on the stream, make sure to check out my collaborator for the next few days, Kev TV, Kev, capital T, capital V, here on YouTube. One of the legendary streamers out here, and well, you're kind of the you're kind of like the boss of LA.
Thank you.
Aren't you?
Yeah.
All right, guys, thank you, and thumbs up
you.
are very appreciated. How do you tell them thank you in Korean?
감사합니다.
감사합니다. Sheshe ni. Peichan sheshe ni, huh? Thank you, everybody.
Okay.